In this video, we will discuss one figure of speech. That day, I uploaded one video on figure of speech. Three or four figures of speech we discussed, and I promised you to do the same if I get time today. For entertainment only, we will discuss some figures of speech. First one is irony, vidambana. Irony is a double meaning statement. Irony in English is a double meaning statement, and the aim of the speaker is to convey double meaning statement I am telling. And one is surface meaning, another is inner meaning. One is surface meaning, another is inner meaning. And the objective of the aim of the speaker is to convey the inner meaning to the audience. It is only ordinary audience, common audience, who understand and enjoy the surface meaning of the statement. Inner meaning is understandable to only intelligent audience, but the speaker wants to convey the inner meaning. This is irony. Just as in Julius Caesar, Antony, one drama by Shakespeare. Julius Caesar is a drama by Shakespeare. In his Brutus and his friend kills Julius Caesar mercilessly. Antony, the friend of Julius Caesar, calls the murderer honorable. Time after time in his speech, Antony calls him honorable people. But actually he doesn't mean that they were honorable people. They were killer. तो इस तरह से वो ऑनरेबल कह रहा है एंटोनी मर्डरर्स को, जूलियस सीजर के मर्डरर्स को, लेकिन वो एक्चुअल कह रहा है कि ये किसी भी तरीके से ऑनरेबल नहीं है. नेक्स्ट है सार्काज्म है. उसमें है कि sarcasm is a direct attack. The writer or the speaker, through his writing or speech, makes a direct attack on the person or thing spoken of in his statement or written or spoken statement. Then it is called sarcasm, direct attack. Just as Jonathan Swift is a great writer, and one of his writing he calls human being uh, one of the most pernicious vermin of this world. मनुष्य को कहते हैं कि इस दुनिया का एक सबसे घटिया कीड़ा, सबसे खतरनाक कीड़ा होता है ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. इसको डायरेक्ट अटैक कर रहे हैं. तो आप समझ रहे हैं, आपको समझ में आएगा और आप इसको इंटरटेनमेंट के व्यू से देखेंगे, पढ़ेंगे भी. और ऊपर के क्लासेज में तो फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स इट इज़ यूजफुल ऑल्सो. थैंक यू.